Imagine a world where your phone doesn't just ring. It knows you're in a stressful meeting, silently filters out non-emergency calls, and pre-orders your favorite coffee for when you walk out. That's not a sci-fi movie. That is the reality of the IQ era. Welcome to the AI with Arun show. In this video, we deep dive into MWC 2026. Marking its 20th anniversary in Barcelona, this event gathered 110,000 global leaders from 200 countries to witness a historic shift. We are officially moving past boring hardware speed races. Today, artificial intelligence is structurally embedded into the very foundation of our digital world. This mobile ecosystem is a $7.6 trillion economic powerhouse, and it's rapidly growing. Today, we are going to unpack exactly how the industry is prioritizing standalone networks, inclusive AI, and ironclad digital safety. Let's dive in. To understand this massive shift, MWC 2026 was organized into 6 strategic themes that act as a roadmap for the future. First is intelligent infrastructure, which is turning basic data pipes into brilliant AI-powered platforms. Next is Connect AI, introducing something called Agentic AI, meaning AI that acts completely autonomously into telecommunications to unlock fresh revenue. Then we have AI for Enterprise, showing off real-world AI in giant factories, and AI Nexus, which solves the headache of making thousands of different AI sensors work together seamlessly at the edge of the network. Crucially, there's Tech for All, a powerful reminder that tech must be accessible to everyone on Earth. And finally, Game Changers, the ultimate spotlight for wild, category-defying startups. Let's talk about the gadget in your pocket. The smartphone as a passive tool is dead. Welcome to the Agentic smartphone revolution, where your device anticipates what you need before you even ask. The ultimate benchmark of this was the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, which rightfully won Best in Show. It features a world-first built-in privacy display. Think about it. You can view sensitive documents on a crystal-clear screen, but to anyone peeking over your shoulder, the screen is completely blocked out. Powered by a custom AI chip, it features Photo Assist to modify your images just by typing a text prompt, and a super steady 360-degree horizontal lock for impossibly smooth video, no matter how much you move. But the hardware gets even crazier. Honor introduced what they call a new species, the robot phone. This is embodied AI. It features a 200-megapixel camera mounted on a tiny robotic arm. Thanks to micromotors that are 70% smaller than standard, this super slim phone can actually physically nod, shake its head, or even dance to your music. It tracks objects perfectly for cinematic, 180-degree spins. Meanwhile, Xiaomi dropped the 17 Ultra, an absolute beast powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. It features a dedicated photography kit that turns the phone into a full professional camera body. Because local AI processing takes massive power, the standard Xiaomi 17 packs a giant 6,330 mAh silicon carbon battery just to keep up. Now, take a look at your wrist. Wearables are evolving from simple step counters into essential computing companions, creating what the industry calls an ecosystem of you. The star here is Qualcomm's new Snapdragon Wear Elite platform. Built on a microscopic 3-nanometer architecture, it has an integrated neural processing unit, capable of running massive 2 billion parameter AI models right on your smartwatch. It's 5 times faster than before, with 30% more battery life. What does this actually mean for you? It means real-time speech translation, deep fatigue monitoring, and gesture tracking, so incredibly precise, it can translate sign language into spoken words. And because the AI is local, your data stays perfectly private. Are smartphones even the future? Smart glasses are making a massive play to replace them. Alibaba unveiled the Quen smart glasses for real-world product recognition and translation, undercutting competitors by $100. Deutsche Telekom showed off app-free AI glasses that let you shop or fix your home Wi-Fi just by looking and speaking. In the PC world, Lenovo introduced Kira, a system of personal ambient intelligence. Imagine starting a work project on your tablet, and when you open your laptop, your AI assistant and all your context instantly transfer over completely seamlessly. Lenovo even showed a ThinkBook modular PC concept that lets you physically expand your screen from a 14-inch base up to a 19-inch workspace on the fly. All this amazing AI needs a ridiculously powerful backbone. Networks are evolving from dumb pipes into programmable platforms to handle real-time AI. Ericsson and Chunghwa Telecom are actually embedding AI directly into the radio networks. During Taipei's massive New Year's Eve celebration, they used something called triple-band FDD massive MIMO to literally triple the network's capacity. But there's a huge bottleneck right now: our upload speeds. To fix this, the GSMA launched a Giga Uplink initiative, massively boosting upload speeds to handle the heavy data our AI assistants need to function. They also launched Open Telco AI to build highly specialized open-source AI models designed specifically to run telecommunications networks. Let's step away from consumers and inside the factory of the future. Qualcomm and Siemens showcased an incredibly futuristic hyper-autonomous factory. They use physical AI running locally on Siemens hardware, powered by a Qualcomm AI accelerator. This means the factory's automated vehicles and robotic arms can identify problems and fix themselves instantly, without sending your highly sensitive business data to an external cloud server. Meanwhile, Arun showed how the telecom network itself is becoming a giant sensory organ. They use network analytics for early wildfire detection, and they literally use existing fiber optic cables as underground sensors to detect water leaks in real time. Here's where technology meets adrenaline. Xiaomi made history as the first tech company to design an electric hypercar for the legendary Gran Turismo game. But it's not just pixels. The Vision Gran Turismo is sculpted by the wind, achieving incredible aerodynamic efficiency. Instead of massive, ugly wings, it uses an active wake control system, a matrix of tiny holes at the rear that blows air to act like an invisible spoiler. Inside, it ditches standard bucket seats for a sofa racer cockpit that completely wraps around the driver. The car's AI uses light, sound, and touch to interact with you, totally dissolving the barrier between man and machine as part of Xiaomi's Human X Car X Home ecosystem. With AI watching and learning everywhere, who is protecting us? Cybercrime will cost the world a staggering $15.63 trillion by 2029. Deutsche Telekom and Nvidia launched the Industrial AI Cloud in Munich to ensure European data stays safely in Europe. We also saw massive cybersecurity pushes to fight AI fake agents, malicious bots that try to trick businesses into handing over data. On the green front, consumer demand for refurbished phones has finally surpassed supply, leading to certified pre-owned programs from giants like Samsung. Networks are getting greener too. AI now puts 5G cell antennas into a deep sleep when no one is around, waking them up in milliseconds when you need a connection to save massive amounts of energy. Wrapping up, the economic projections are jaw-dropping. By 2030, this mobile ecosystem will be worth $11.3 trillion, and 5G will account for 57% of all global connections. Yet there is work to do. 3 billion people still aren't using mobile broadband, and bridging that gap is our next great mission. Let me leave you with this thought. Just 10 years ago, our biggest tech worry was whether a YouTube video would buffer. Today, our networks are literally preventing forest fires, and our watches are translating sign language in real time. The IQ era is no longer a concept. It is our reality. The winners of tomorrow won't just be the smartest, they will be the organizations we can trust the most. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun show. And consider joining us as a member. We will see you soon.